Hmm. Good evening, friends.
Today we are here again with Sunday Wala Fun Day, third custom. He is the co-host Venam Piyush and this is Venam Lavadya.
And here we have 14 teams.
Yeah.
The Venom Squad,
And yeah, you
The Smashers, the Team
you read out the
Energy,
names, it will be
the
easy.
Shield, Team Imported, Mask Killer, Demon Slayers, Storm Warriors, Elvis, Fanatic Gaming, Fanatic, Hindustan, and Seven Vinay. These are the 14 teams which are playing today.
I'm very excited about today's match because it's our third custom. We did a hat trick. Congratulations.
Thank you. T- Team Shield is going the drop location of Lipovka, and Demon Slayers are going near mansion. Team Energy is going also near the mansion, or they are going to Yasnaya Polyana. Team Energy as well as Hindustan. The Smashers, Fanatic Gamers, and Team Imported are going to Rozok, and Team 14 is 7 Vinay. They are in the school, and Team 9
Oh,
9 is Storm Warriors.
near room. And
Yeah, and Wolves has gone to Georgiapol, and number 12 Fanatic is near the Gatka. Elvis has gone to Pochanki. Here we will see the first fight of number 3 or number 6 or number 11. Anyone.
let's move. I
Let's
will
move.
be spectating number three.
And I will be respecting number 11 as well as number 6.
Okay, copy. I think there's problem with my graphics.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's okay. I'm done. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. See, team three and team six. Crown. I am crown is being
Yeah.
seen by Jay. Okay.
Here the nader started. I am crown is pushing backward. I think they are back offing.
Backing up. Yeah. Uh, I think
And
team
nice
Jay.
knock by I am crown, and they will try to confirm the kill also, and they confirm.
Okay. So one is out.
And I am anonymous
Hmm. Has killed
has
TX Alpha.
yeah.
I'm here. Okay, so
FNC
we are sorry,
Vikrant.
team three is out of our match. Well played, well played. Team six, I am imported group.
And number 3, the Smashers already wiped out from the league.
Yeah, that's a good starting by the team imported.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move forward.
Let's go to School.
Hmm. Team Storm.
Let's
I
go
was
to
expecting
school.
Team Storm.
Where 7 Vinay?
Storm Titan has been knocked out.
Storm Titan. How?
No, he's been killed. Oh my god.
Yeah, let's go to school.
You may please spectate Team 14.
Yeah, I'm expecting Team 14.
Oh, they have killed ST1. Team Titan has been out. Team Sudhir and Storm Sudhir is out of the game. And there's a rush between Team 9 and Team 14 going on. Please look at Team
Here the
14.
Storm Warriors and the 7 Vinay is going to take fight from each other. Out of 14, now 13 teams remaining and 49 was alive. Here the grenade comes.
Please look at Team 14.
Yeah.
I'm here with Team 9 Storm.
Okay. And Venom squad is in Water City of Rozok.
Okay. Okay, let's move forward. Let's see team number 5. Oh, here the fight is going on still now in school.
Yeah.
I'll just have a look at team 5.
I think 7 Vinay will not let them go.
Our previous
Storm Warriors are in great risk. And
risky.
they put smoke in front of their bike.
And Siddharth, Storm Siddharth health is being little bit
Damaged.
Yeah. Still at corner. Team 14. I think this is good player, Team 14. Even Storm players are good. I don't think why two
And
have
here
not.
the nets came. And they are pushing.
Yeah. Team 14, Rana, okay, it's risky, has been knocked out by Rana. And yeah,
And the
Storm are being wiped out
Storm are being wiped out by 7.
by the Vinay's team.
Vinay 7.
And Team 11, here comes the Team 11 and Team 6.
Yeah.
Please. I'm looking at Team 6, you please
Okay.
see Team 11. I am Crown and Ninja. I've killed 1-1. Still, I am Savian and Anonymous are trying their hard, and they have
And
covered.
they are just below their house.
Anonymous is rotating.
And here the nets came.
Team
One,
11.
I think there will be one knocked.
Yeah,
definitely.
FNC
Vishal got knocked by Anonymous.
Yeah, well.
And they are pushing.
Yeah. Vikrant is being knocked.
And
yeah, wiped.
Yeah.
Well played.
An FNC gamer wiped out by the team imported.
Now 3 teams have been wiped out. It's a good game going on. And
3 teams are been wiped out. The team name was the Smashers, the Storm Warriors, and the FNC Gamers. Already wiped out.
Anonymous got 2 kills, Ninja 2, Savian still 0, and Crown 1. Good. They are playing well.
Here the drops came of level 3 vest, helmet, backpack, 8 times DBS.
Okay, let's move to team 13.
Yeah, I'm going in. This is a team of Hindustan,
Okay.
which means,
They are in Yasnaya.
yeah, they are in
It's one of my
Yansana.
favorite days.
You know, na Hindustan means India.
And I think there's Venom team. Let's move to Venom team.
Yeah,
And I think there will be a good clash in Rozok school and with Venom team and Wolves
Venom.
coming from that.
Yeah, yeah.
It's going to very very good. Let's go to Venom squad.
I think Venom team decided to take at least second place by playing safe.
That's good here. Panther and Venom
Panther
Fan.
Venom
Are
Darinda.
they are
Name is very good.
and what they
Venom
are doing?
Darinda.
See what Panther is doing. See.
Yeah, I'm going. Here the wolves came from the bridge.
Yeah. Please look at Wolves. I'm looking at our team Venom.
Wolves already gone.
They
Wolves
are moving
Kratos,
towards
Wolf
Rozok, I
Vampire.
see.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. No, they are moving from Rozok.
yeah. Venom team played very
Venom
good.
team will Venom team is like letting.
Yeah, letting. Sleeping here also. Now we can go to Rozak,
Yeah.
where the clash will going,
Um, 6, 2
because
and 14.
Wolf team also is there. I'm covering team Wolves. Okay,
Yeah. I'm covering Anonymous
teams.
team.
Yeah, yeah,
Imported.
yeah.
Okay.
I think Anonymous team get to know that there is one player of Wolves, Vampire. He is a good IGL. He is surrounded
Yeah.
by he is surrounded by the team imported. Here the knocks
And
came.
Anonymous has been knocked
Here
out
the
by
knocks came.
Wolfman. And E24 Ranger is trying to save him. No, he's out. He's out of the house. And Crown and all they are pushing.
And from backside the Wolves teams are also coming. Kratos.
And Ninja is been knocked out. Here Crown is healing himself. Anonymous and Savian. No. Anonymous is helping his friend. Who was knocked?
And second down.
Anonymous was knocked. He has been helped by Savian and Wolf knocked. Anonymous are staying very well.
And
Shit.
the imported was wiped out by Team Bulls.
Is wiped out by the Wolf.
Let's go to school building. There will be clash
Yeah, sure.
with 7th Vinay and Elvis.
Team number?
Team number, I am spectating team number 14.
I'll
Se-
pick the 12.
10. You expected
And,
number 10.
okay. Uh, in number 10, there's a only girl player, Judy,
Yeah.
I guess. Judy
Judy.
said,
Yeah.
right?
And nice knock by Judy.
By FKY Lucky. No. Quran, Quran Rana has damaged the hell. No, she's a very good player. She's a girl.
See
And always
where
supportive.
she is standing.
Yeah. Girl power is always the best.
Oh, nice.
And her the making. Team number 14 is a new team which has joined our custom for the first time, and they are very well players.
Yeah.
Unlike my team. Team, IGH, another team.
And they are playing Ned.
Very need.
Team number 7 Mass Killer is outside the play zone, and they are coming.
Anuj, Kevin, they are the
Yeah.
of our previous custom.
The IGL of this game is Anuj or Kevin, I think.
Kevin.
Kevin. He planned very good.
No, Kevin is a very good player. He is a crown player, and of course Anuj Sanyal also.
Yeah.
His whole team is a very good team.
You respected number 14. I am going to Yasnaya Paranama to respected Hindustan.
Yeah, there will be, oh my god, 10 versus 14.
And I think Hindustan versus.
Alive is 39, total team left is 10, 4 teams have been wiped out.
I think Hindustan versus Team Fanatic.
Number 10.
Yeah, number 10 and number 12. Sorry, number 13 and number 12 is in Yasnaya Polanama. Hindustan is moving back. Here, Kevin team and Wolves are going to take drop together.
Again?
Together, yes, yes, together they are going.
Okay, I'm spectating Kevin. You please
Okay,
look at
okay,
Wolves.
yeah.
And the Mass Killer is trying to Mass hard. What is this graphic? They're trying hard to kill Wolves this time.
Yeah.
And Wolves is vampire. And Anuj Sanyal is moving. He is having easy. Kevin is hiding. He is also. No, this time I think they are going to kill him. कुछ भी हो जाए मैं तुझे जाने नहीं दूंगा. In previous custom they were killed by wolves and there was a huge controversy. So
here team 14. Yeah. Here Elvis also wiped out by seventh heaven.
Team number 2 nearby.
Yeah.
And team number 12 to 13 and 5 they are all 1-1 back. आगे पीछे.
Yeah. I'm expecting Wolves because they are playing very good from last two customs, and also we are expecting them in free custom also.
Yeah, they have been taking part in. There are free custom have been held. Many free custom have been held, and
I think every day we are conducting free custom.
There will be a class between 2, 7 and team number 12.
Yeah.
Let me see 7. Kevin. And there's a fight going on. Please look at Wolf.
And the shield came backside from the wolves.
1 second, we have missed something. Still there are 9 teams left. I think
Yeah.
Vikran, SNT Police have been wiped out. Okay, Wolves versus Mask Killer. They are trying their hard. Okay. Wolves have rushed. Fuse.
Yeah.
Wolves have rushed.
Yeah. Wolves wiped out
Kevin
Amit.
is rotating. Good move by Kevin. He's rotating.
Got.
How so good. Okay, but there are 2 knocks
Yeah.
of Mask Killers.
Here vampires came from backside.
Anuj Sanyal is out.
And they are reviving Ghatak. Kevin is the only player.
No, Alpha EQ is still left, and Wolves vampires outside.
And nice knock by Kevin. Kratos also. And they are confirming kills.
Health of Alpha EQ.
Yeah.
Oh, Wolves Ghatak is left. There's a great chance. Okay.
Here Kevin got knocked. Yeah.
Okay, very well.
The team wolf got.
OP, bhai, OP. But I'm not about
Team wolf got wiped out.
the winner of the
Here
custom have been wiped out by the Mask Killer. Okay, let's move to Piyush, 8 team are left. We were busy in seeing this, and let's see who has been wiped out.
Yeah.
Team 14.
Team
Move on.
Team 7 Vinay and Team Fanatic will take fight.
Team 14, the one new player.
Then Team 14 has only 2 players alive.
Yeah. Where's our Venom squad?
Venom squad is playing Sleepy.
The legend of Sleepy Hollow.
Yeah, I think they will take at least second position.
Alpha AQ.
Yeah.
And team number 8, Demon Slayer.
Eight team got wiped out. I am telling the name. Hindustan.
Left is 17.
Fanatic Gaming. Elvis. Storm Warriors. Team Imported. The Smashers. Wolves are already wiped out. And one of the team of Mask Killer, Mr. Anu Sanyal, unfortunately got killed by wolves. Let's go to Venom squad.
Yeah, already.
Already they are trying hard to take at least second position. They are playing outside the safe zone. Nice.
No, if they win,
Yeah,
means if they are runner up, I am going to get 50%.
because you are
And
from Venom only. That's why.
yeah,
Oh,
the only female player of the Venom, so I must get.
oh, so sweet.
Team number 5, uh, reviving.
Team number
They were doing fight.
14. They are taking fight
Excuse me, there are
with
6
Fnatic
team left.
with 21 people
Yeah,
alive.
and
What do you
two,
think?
4.
Who will win?
I don't think, but still now, who has got the highest kill? The Kevin have still now got the highest kills.
Yeah.
And then come team 14, Vinay's team.
No, wait. 1 minute.
Check out.
The team 6, which is team imported, got 5 kill.
Okay, team 4 versus team
5
5.
killed.
Would you please look at team 4?
Yeah.
I'm spectating Alpha. Kevin is driving the buggy, carrying LLC, RYS. I don't know. He's Pandey. I know this one. Okay.
And I think they got spotted.
Yeah. And versus team 12.
Team Masquerade spotted Team Shield. I think so. Because they are
Team 12?
rotating. No.
Team 12.
Number 5 and number 7.
Even
Shield.
12 is nearby.
Yeah, number 12 is also there. Yeah, I think Shield will be wiped
And
out.
team 14
I
is
think
also
so.
coming from the left side.
Yeah, already fight started.
Versus team 14.
Team 12 and Team 5.
And Shield. Two
Shield
players are
confirmed.
left.
Shield team team 12. Fnatic cleared two teammates of the Shield, and two players are backing off. They are going.
Team 14, two
They are
people
going
are left.
near the
2
Venom
people
squad.
left. And
They are going near the Venom squad. What they will do?
team, just look at Demon Slayer. He has got such a nice view of team 7 and team 8,
I am going in.
team 14, team 12. Okay, there's a fight between team 12 and Kevin team. Okay. Restoring the health.
Yeah, Mass Killer. One teammate got knocked. Team
12 versus 7.
Team Fnatic versus
Team 7,
Mass
team
Killer.
14, team 1. There are.
Now it's came to last zone. Obviously they will fight.
Team Panther is Venom Panther is knocked out. I mean Dark Panther of Venom team is knocked.
Yeah.
Team 5 is also there. Team 7. Okay. There's 2 people left in team 7. LLC is knocked out. And team 8, they're trying their hard. They're using snipers. And team 14, only 2 people are left.
Where is Venom Darinda?
Venom Mars and Venom Sam is knocked
Venom
out
Darinda is
till the match, and Panther is crawling here and there.
see Venom Darinda. Nice place to hide.
Where? Oh my god. But Panther is in danger. I don't think he can save him, because if he comes out.
See number 14 and number 1 Venom squad Darinda, where they are sitting.
That's a hiding place. Tried it for pushing rank. Oh, Kevin knocked Ali Khan, team 14.
Yeah.
Winner's team. They were playing very good. Team 14 was really playing good. Only from Venom, Darinda is left. And teammate is trying their hard to get inside the play zone. Oh my god, they're swimming, and Demon Slayer is killed. Still, we have 14. I think this is the best match ever.
Yeah,
See? So close, everybody's there.
all are closed.
And everyone is pro.
And Team 14 7 Vinay knocked Alpha. Alpha got finished off by
He's out of this game now.
yeah.
But
Now the
Team Plus have scored well
fourth team are alive
with 9 people.
with 9 peoples. I think Maskil also got wiped out, right?
Yeah, Team 14 is still left. Heading towards Team 12. They have killed 4. Team 14 7. Team 8 1. And Venom
And
Darinda
Venom Darinda got nice
killed
knock.
2. Wow, so good. Zero. Venom Darinda is Venom is this team.
Venom is not in a part of
PP
this
on
team
Venom.
now.
I thought they will win. Means at least they will get a second position. I don't know why they were the Legend of Sleepy Hollows today. Why they were not so active.
And one player of Fnatic is there.
In from Team 12, 1 is left. From Team 14, 2 and 8. Oh, they have been killed.
Yeah.
Kevin,
Yeah.
Mask Killer.
Yeah. Mask has been killed by Fnatic only. And they cleared like 2 squads. Fnatic, they get 8 kills. Demon Slay got knocked
Team 14,
by
the winner team.
7. And
See, it's 2 versus 2. Piyush, I will be second teammate. Would you please respect Team 14?
2 versus 2. I'm expecting 14.
Okay. I think Team 14 is the winner.
I think so. I think 8 will take it.
No, I think 14.
Okay.
2 by 2.
Yeah, here Team 14
Vinay.
got.
Yeah. The new champion of third
Is
custom.
7
Very new
Vinay.
players.
They are new in this custom.
Okay.
And they got 17 kills in this match.
Please congratulate him in the team.
Yeah. We congratulate all the team. You played so well.
And this time, all have scored.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
And good night.
You too.